Welcome back to Giggle Thinkers! Are you ready to play and learn, creating shadow puppets and understanding basic concepts of light? Let's giggle, guess, and grow together! What do you need to make a shadow? A. Light. Well, what do shadows do when the sun moves? B. Change shape. What makes a shadow puppet show work? A. Light and hands. Which one is a source of light? B. Flashlight. What color are most shadows? C. Dark or black. What happens when something blocks the light? A. A shadow appears. Where can you see your reflection in? B. Mirror. What helps you see at night? A. Lamp. What do we use to make colors appear on the wall with sunlight? C. Prism. What happens when light hits a mirror? B. It reflects. What shadow shape would your hand make? C. A hand shape. What makes shadows shorter during the day? B. Sun is high. Which of these would not make a shadow? A. A glass cup. What helps you play with shadows on a wall? B. A flashlight. What do we call the area where light is blocked? B. Shadow. What time of day are shadows the longest? B. Morning or evening. Which of these objects can let light through? B. Glass window. What tool helps you see tiny light reflections? C. Mirror. What happens to your shadow when you jump up and down? A. It dances too. What do we call things that make their own light? A. Light sources. Thank you for watching Giggle Thinkers. Make sure to subscribe for more learning and fun.